a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to?
And now I'm in Gangnam, the heart of K-pop, and I don't know much about this area except you know, what I see on TV and TV shows and movies and stuff. But seriously, every other car that drives by is like super nice. Haven't done a food tour here yet. Let's do one today. In the first place, not really Korean food, but they got some amazing ribs. Oh, this place smells good. It smells like a Thailand night market. And this is what I'm here for. The rib mountain with chilies. Ever since the last time I had that massive pile of ribs here in Seoul, I've been just looking for more like giant piles of meat and bones. And this place is one of the only places I found that serves the one covered in chilies. You know, the one I love at the Thai dine market? They got it here. Also gonna get some noodles because you can't go to a Thai place and not get some noodles. It's here. It's much smaller than the meat and bone mountain I had at the Thailand night market, but it still looks beautiful. Looks like it's covered in chilies and garlic and scallions, and I don't want to be creepy, but oh, that smells so good. Oh, that is just falling off the bones. Slightly pushing it with your chopsticks. I don't know if I really just missed this dish so much, but this might be better than what I had in Thailand. Besides the fact that it's actually kind of cold in here and I'm not sweating through my shirt right now from the humidity, I feel like I'm back in Thailand. You need to come here and eat this. The chilies are exceptional. They made this very, very spicy. Great taste of citrus from the lime. It's everything I thought it would be. No, it's actually better. Now, let's get surgical. Oh, this bone is just magnificent. Not just the meat, the tendon and cartilage and the marrow that's in here. We just want to dip everything in this citrusy, spicy, garlicky soup base they have on the bottom. I think it's so good, I want to dip my life in there and make it better. This is one of my favorite meals since coming here. I mean, I love Korean food, but it's so nice to eat something completely different. And this thing is just 100% authentic. They did not skimp on the chilies. This is one of those places you eat in Korea where spicy is actually really spicy. Morning glory is something else I miss. And if things are not chilly enough here when you come, and for me it's pretty chilly, it's like 30 degrees outside. You can always bite into this. Only thing I think is not very authentic is the noodles. I think this is supposed to be some variation of pad thai. It's still good. It's very buttery and a little sweeter than what you will find in Thailand. That's like the common denominator. But if you come here and you're trying dishes from other countries while in Korea, You taste that familiar sweetness, like, where's that sweetness coming from? That's when you know you're eating it in Korea. Actually, I know how to fix this. Now I added some meat and chilies to the noodles. Oh, that's good. Anything dipped in the sauce, it just automatically becomes better. "100% do that when you come here." These guys are so awesome here. They saw how much I was loving this sauce. They brought me more. Just gonna give the ribs a little shower. So much prettier now. Day's just better once you have some spicy ribs in you. Sun just shines brighter for some reason. That building right there, YG, it's Blackpink building. I thought it'd be bigger, honestly. I didn't know how big K-pop companies are. I just thought they would be much bigger. Whoa. So after the Korean gochujang burger, they now have the black truffle burger. Oh, I'll be back for this. Let's get some dessert. Apparently in Korea, all the Baskin Robbins have a name, so this one is brown. And it has 100 flavors. I'm telling you guys, Baskin Robbins, although in the States it's kind of like a ice cream cake only kind of place, but in Korea, people love it. Wow, look at all the K-pop people signed this. Blackpink, Blackpink, Blackpink. I can't read anything else. Icon. Ooh, G-Dragon. I know that guy. Whoa, look at this. There's a Baskin Robbins cream machine. Oh, Baskin Robbins vending machine. What? Why is there a vending machine when I can just order Baskin Robbins over there? Okay, there's Baskin Robbins mochi, pints, iced banana. Whoa. Ice cream, Baskin Robbins gingerbread house? Baskin Robbins Batman. Oh, Baskin Robbins Gotham. This costs 1 million won, $1,000. Oh, these look good. Baskin Robbins cake. Oh, that looks great. Oh, this place is so cool. Lollipops, mochi. Definitely getting a Baskin Robbins mochi. Okay, let's see what kind of flavors they have. Sorbet, chocolate mousse, green tea. See if I can find any really strange flavors. Washington Blueberry Jubilee, kind of interesting. Honey cheese, Wizards Halloween, black sorbet. Huh, there's also like a Baskin Robbins Cafe, and they make shakes for you and affogatos. Oh my God, what the heck is this? That's a cheese cone?
Oh, yeah, mozzarella cheese.
That's a mozzarella cheese cone. Only problem is it's level 2 right now in Korea for COVID, so you're not allowed to eat in any cafes. So this is gonna be takeout only. Halloween Joker ice cream. Huh. Steamed potato ice cream. This is where the fun flavors are. Love Struck strawberry, that's very K-drama-ish. Ice Kit Kat. Oh. Blueberry cheesecake. This is the only flavors they have. I want to just buy one. You know what? Set. 감사합니다. This is really cool. So they give you this so you can have a cheese pull at the same time, not be dirty. What? It's nice that they give you a little thumb and index finger gloves to do the cheese pull, but the problem is there's no pull. It tastes good. Like a crispy waffle with cheese inside, but because you can't eat this inside Baskin Robbins anymore, I took it outside, but it hasn't been that long. And the cheese is already dead. But with that said, it's still delicious. Crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside. I know you're not supposed to do this, but you can kind of eat your ice cream like a waffle. Wow, this is my favorite Baskin Robbins flavor I've ever had. It doesn't even look like strawberry. That's the magic. It's like a K-drama. They're never who you think they are. Wait, is that K-dramas or like mystery novels? I'm kind of getting those two confused. Whatever, it's good. It's really good. Also, the mochi. It's a cute little tray they come in. Only in Korea. Like, this was in America. They would just come in little plastic bags. And they got something inside. It's a little caramel-y filling inside. Oh, this is so good. Mango one's the best. Raspberry. This is the best Baskin Robbins I've ever been to in my life. I mean, it's not the prettiest. The prettiest one was by the Palaces. I want to come here every day and just explore new Baskin Robbins options. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I just want to go back and be around more of this crazy flavors. Why can't we have good things in the US? Why does everything? Am I right about this? Let me know. Am I going too far by saying all of our fast food places and ice cream places, they're just not nearly as good as those in Asia? I mean, what's going on? He's like McDonald's, like Baskin Robbins. He's just not like us in the US. Like, what's going on? All right, location number 3, Corey sent me a message saying there's a rib dish here that's really good. I'm gonna trust you, Corey. I'll try it out. These are ribs that are charcoal grilled first, then they are covered in the chili sauce, traditional Korean chili sauce. Also looks like it's covered in garlic as well. These are massive, massive ribs. And just poking it with the chopsticks, the meat, just like the one from this morning, meat comes off really easily. Look at that. Falls off the bones. That's darn good. Oh, the chili is hiding some power. This is level, I would say, on a normal spice scale. That's a good 7 out of 10. Most people might not be able to handle how spicy this is. That is perfect for me though. If you can't handle at least, I think, double the spice of the super spicy ramen challenge, you're gonna have some trouble with this. I actually taste the smokiness from the charcoal. The sauce is a little sweet, but that's mainly about the spice. Chase with a little garlic stock. Love this. I like the fact that even on the days I didn't really work out, I can still feel the burn. Wherever that may be. This is spicier than what I had at a Thai restaurant. Great place. Great recommend. Thanks so much, Corey. Last meat feast of the day. So this restaurant called 8 Month. They serve a giant meatball. Let me show you. So this place right here, they serve a giant ball of pork. And they're gonna just flame cook, like throw fire, magical, holy flame, whatever, onto it till it becomes delicious. Also, a lot of panchan.
Now I miss you and I want you
Let me explain what just happened here. He created this like pork meatball. There's no better way to explain it. And just like cast fire upon it for about 5 minutes. That's what I call great ball of fire, okay? Then he smashes it and it becomes like all these shredded beef strips. And then he dunks it all into the marinade and then puts it back onto the grill. And then creates like a brush from some of the shredded pork and brushes the marinade all over the remainder of the meat on the grill. Garlic goes on, mushrooms go on. Now it's ready to eat. Just want to taste some without anything. That's delicious. Wow. So much smoke, so much fire taste. And you can also dip it in the sauce provided here. They're delicious. Mushroom. Mushroom is good. It's not gonna be the juiciest meat, mainly because that flame has been attacking it for about a good 5 minutes or so. But the flavor's unparalleled. I mean, just the amount of smoke he was able to pack into this thing. This is definitely one of the most interesting Korean barbecues I've been to. It's a little bit showy, but I feel like that's half the fun in this whole thing. You get to watch a literal flaming ball turn into delicious strips of pork. I don't think this thing is meant to like fill you up or anything, but if you're in the mood for some theatrics and truly delicious smoky meat, this is the stuff. Okay, fish sauce, yeah, sweet. Oh, that's good. Again, let me break down what just happened, the play-by-play here. 2 massive chunks of pork. One is the pork neck, which I feel is some of the juiciest, tenderest cuts of meat. And the other is pork belly. He sliced off the fat where it's just like little slices of fat. Even though it's on the charcoal grill, the blowtorch comes out, adding just more of a sear, so all that juice stays inside, stays intact, not a drop escapes until you crush through the surface of the meat with your teeth. And then you can actually dip this in fish sauce. Everything about this. The smoky flavor, the juice from the pork neck. Get pork neck when you're eating barbecue in South Korea. This is one of the best pieces. I love pork belly. I love pork belly. You know what I like more than this? This and pork belly. A little bit of salt, really all you need. So look at the pork belly. Seared fat trapped inside and a piece of skin on top, just with that bit of chew and gelatinous flavor. And I'm so glad they're here to cook it for you, because if you mess up good quality cuts of pork neck and pork belly, it's unforgivable. Today's been like the highest of all meat days. Started off with ribs, then went for more ribs, and now this. And I'm glad this is the finale, because this is the perfect porky ending that this day deserves. It deserves this. This day really can't get much better than pretty much right now, so I'm gonna go out on a high note. As always, all the places I went to, listed down below for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, see you later.